Welcome back, guys. Today I have just a kind of a gadget. Can be useful. I got one for me. I don't know if it's something everybody would want, but if you travel and you try to take as little equipment or as light as equipment as you can, I think you'll like this. A lot of you know I love this little Ulanzi 40-watt fan. I talk about it all the time. It's the LT028. But the problem is I carry it with me and I use it as a video light. Like we were at the beach and I was on the balcony. I have it pointing right at me, which is kind of bright. So then you can put the little rubber thing over the top to tone it down a little bit. It does tone it down, but it's still pretty bright, just staring right at you. So what they have now, and I think this is pretty cool, and it's only 30 bucks, and it's not for everybody, but it's very cool looking. I like it. It is the Ulanzi AS-D30. And this will make it easier to travel with this light if you're not carrying your large lights with you. So now you've got a little softbox that you can control from back here. So that is easier to look into and do a video than to straight into the light as it was. So this whole thing is pretty easy. Now this thing goes back to small. Of course, goes into a little box, just a little bitty. But this also breaks down really small. So that's how small this gets right there. So that'll fit in a suitcase and this will fit in a suitcase. So you don't have to carry the big heavy lights. And the one problem I had with this was it was so bright trying to stare at it behind the camera. And again, this is only really good. I wouldn't say use this in your studio. Obviously, it's not a studio light, but if you're traveling and you make a video or an intro for a video, and you don't want to carry the big lights, and you have one of these Ulanzi 40-watt lights, I believe they're $99. They're on sale a lot for $79.95. And then this Ulanzi softbox for $29.95. It's a good deal because if you use it, it's a good deal. If you need it, like I said, if you're making videos, it's so much easier than carrying around these big giant lights and poles and stuff like that. So hey, just a quick video for you guys today. And hey, if you want one of these, we are a affiliate with Ulanzi, so just let you know. We'll leave our link down below, copy and paste it. We'll get a few bucks if you do. If we're helping you guys out, y'all have a good day. Thanks.